everyone, I'm Jasmine. You see Teddy just around the corner, and that's why today I'm going to introduce to you a very special, traditional and irreplaceable case of Tết holidays in Vietnam. So can you guys guess what I'm going to talk about? Ta-da! Exactly as easy as a pie, right? So definitely want to talk about Chưng cake, a staple of Vietnamese Lunar New Year. So I have to confess that sitting in front of the stove or like play nearly the Chưng cake pot in this cold winter is one of the unforgettable moments of my childhood. So today we are going to learn how to make a Chưng cake in traditional way with English garden. So are you guys ready? Okay, so here we go. Firstly, the ingredients you need to prepare is young leaves, zang strings, glutinous rice, green beans, seasoned pork, has seasoned with salt and pepper, and a square golden mold. First, place the zang strings and some layers of young leaves into the square mold. Next, you stuff a layer of glutinous rice, followed by green beans, seasoned pork, then green beans again, and finally another layer of rice. You should carefully place the ingredients so the fatty pork is in the center of the cake. Fold the leaves and tie them up with zang strings. And boil maybe 10 to 12 hours in the large pot filled with water. And now we have the Vietnamese Chưng cake in a traditional way. Nowadays, especially in big city, the modern life prevents people from making Chưng cake at home as its process is quite time-consuming. But you see, Tết just come once a year, so I hope that you will spend the time to sit down and to tell all the story with your family together. So it will be the unforgettable moment of you and your family. So don't forget to subscribe our channel. It's an easy channel to see all of the next video. So it's time to say goodbye and see you next time.